Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve this interesting Maths Olympiad exponential equation right here before us. We have 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x equals 72. Here we are to find the value of x, but we will satisfy this equation. Let's have a solution. We have 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x equals 72. Now, right here, this is of the same order as a plus a plus a, which equals 3a. We are going to consider this expression at the left hand side of the equation in this form. When as such, we have 2 to the power of x in 3 places. Therefore, this can also be expressed as 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of x equals 72. Now, the next step to be considered, I'm going to divide both sides of the equation through by 3 and divide here by 3, also divide here by 3. Then at the left hand side of the equation, 3 will eliminate 3, and we have a 2 to the power of x equals here 72 divided by 3, that will give us 24. Now, in this case, the next step to be considered, I'm going to divide both sides of the equation through by 8. When as such, I'll divide here by 8, I'll also divide here by 8. Now, I can also express 8 in base 2 here. Now, taking 8 to base 2, this expression on the left hand side of the equation becomes 2 to the power of x all over 2, 8 to base 2, that will give us 2 to the power of 3 here, and this equals here 24 divided by 8, that will give us 3. We have 3 here. Now, in this case, recall that this from indices, whenever we have the same base and division, we subtract the powers. Here, at the left hand side of the equation, we have the same base of 2, therefore we are going to subtract the powers. We pick one base, we subtract the powers, we have a 2 to the power of x minus 3 equals here 3. Now, the next step to be considered here, I'm going to take the log of both sides of this equation, and we are going to have here log 2 to the power of x minus 3 equals log 3. And right here, I'm going to apply power rule here. That means I'm going to return this power of 2 to the back of the log, and the equation becomes, we have into x minus 3 log 2 equals log 3. Now again, the next step to be considered, going to divide both sides of this equation through by log 2. And in that case, the equation becomes here divided by log 2, also divide here by log 2. Therefore, at the left hand side of the equation, log 2 will eliminate log 2, and the equation becomes x minus 3 equals, here we have log 3 divided by log 2, And at this right hand side of the equation, record that if you have log A divided by log B, but this is equivalent to log A base B, then as such, you are going to apply the same principle right here, and the expression at the left hand side of the equation becomes, here we bring this down, x minus 3 equals log 3 base 2. And right now, I'm going to add 3 to both sides of the equation. Now, I'm going to have here x minus 3 plus 3 equals log 3 base 2 plus 3. Then here, minus 3 plus 3 will be eliminated, and we have that x equals log 3 base 3 plus 3, and this is the correct answer to this exponential equation right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos from this channel. And if you've already done that, thank you so much, and ensure to stay tuned for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.